video. My name is Ruben and welcome back to the channel. As always, please note I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I providing any sort of financial advice. I'm just a guy showing you what I do on an app known as TradingView this time. And so basically we're going to be looking at some charts over here. I'm not sure if you guys follow crypto politics or know the owners of Binance and FTX, or even like a CoinGecko or Luno. But basically there's a lot of things happening at the moment. One of those things is that Sbf, or Sam Bankman-Fried, is actually the CEO of FTX. Basically somebody published his basically net worth and stuff, and realized that most of his stuff is actually liquid or it's tied up in loans, which would basically inflate the value of what's currently being marketed or listed as his coin or FTT token. And you would have seen that CZ Binance actually confirmed the transfer of $584 million worth of coins onto Binance, which basically forces FTX or SBF to go and purchase his own coins from a different exchange. It's kind of funny. But in any event, since it is an issue that that does revolve around one of the coins that I am using, or one of the coins that I do invest in based on the NFT market, I thought let me rather jump on here, make a quick video and show you guys what it is that I'm talking about and what it is that I'm going to be doing with my money. Remember, I understand what it is that you do with your money. You work hell of a hard for it. So essentially what I'm going to do here is I'm going to basically show you guys what's happening with Solana, which is one of the coins that might be affected by this whole SPF saga that's going on between Binance and FTX, and also just show you guys how I basically track and look at coins. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking at Solana. Unfortunately, I don't have Solana here on one of my quick guides here, but no issue. So we're going to click on crypto. After you click on crypto, I do have Solana here somewhere. Okay, that's cool. I don't know what was there, but in any event, let's look at this chart over here. So you guys can see here on this chart, I'm using a free account here. Nice, I already got everything mapped out here, but that's on a 30-minute window. Let's go to the daily. And what I want to do over here is I just want to clean all the drawings from here, so that we can rather start off with a fresh chart here, just so you can see what's happening. You can see this coin here was at about $150, $140 in March this year, and it's been steadily decreasing and floating around these markers here. If I can just pull up one here, this is the highest that I can see at the moment, and let's take a most recent level of support here. You can see that this is actually a decent level on the daily. This is about $27, which is what I think the coin is going to come down to. I think it's going to come into this area, and then whatever it does around this area here, it's either going to push up and bounce back up until these levels here of $38, or it might just shoot down even lower to what it has been before. But I'm not going to click that because this is a free account and it's going to ask me to sign up and do all these other funny things. But essentially, guys, what I'm doing is I'm mapping out areas of support and resistance where I expect the coin to go down to, or where I expect it to pick up. So what I do is I come and mark out the most recent levels of support and resistance. This is the most recent level of support that's on this coin. You can see it is matched back here, and there is a confirmation here. There's actually quite a few confirmations here before it was broken. So here's your 1, 2, 3. As you can see, fourth time lucky, it actually breaks it and comes out to a new level of support. But we already mapped this out. This is our daily support level, and if we look again, it breaks this previous support, now resistance, breaks this resistance level, comes down and creates a new level of support. This is actually how I prefer to trade. As soon as the support is created, once you've broken a previous level of resistance, I always take a trade over there. So there's some nice hindsight into how I do my forex trading, but that's for another video. And now we look at your daily. We just want to come down to lower time frames here and see where we mapped out on the daily charts. Is it still the same here? We can see that this 4-hour level of resistance is still being formed. we're not going to draw a line on this candle because this candle is still busy getting formed. Anything can happen in 2 hours. It can even go up and break this and go up. So I'll always wait for candles to close before I make any sort of confirmations. But in this space here, if this was a forex chart, which it's not, but if it was, the space over here, this area here, I wouldn't be trading if it was on lower time frames. Just a fun fact note. We'll come down to a 1 hour and see what's happening with the chart here. Here we have a nice level here for a 1 hour. You can see it was a previous level of resistance, so it looks like if it breaks this here, it might even come up to $36. But I still have money on it coming down, breaking this $30 marker here, coming down to about $27, and yeah, continuing. So the point here is that Solana has a yearly get together in Portugal, in Lisbon, and it's called the Breakpoint. And from the 4th of November, when the event started, Solana was actually going up in price. And if you look here from the 4th of November, which is this, is it the long candle? No, it's 2 days in a row. So the 4th was the first day of the conference. Second day conference was the 5th of November. Then this whole thing happened with Sbf and CZ Binance. With CZ Binance, when it bought $500 million worth of FTTT token based on what was reported or shared on Twitter with regards to Sbf's financial situation. But yeah, so once it got out or leaked, Solana started taking a knock over here. So Solana is the Ethereum killer, especially when it comes to the NFT markets. NFT markets, as most of you might know, is a massive playground, especially where most companies and organizations want to start getting into. It has slowed down quite a bit. It's not as volatile, but the prices of certain items and those drawings and JPEGs that you guys were after is still holding its value in the most part. But yeah, so that's basically what's happened over here. News got out, FTT, the Ethereum killer Solana is also getting smashed over here. You can see now it's starting to come down towards this level here. As I mentioned, we still need to wait for this candle to close. We still got about 6 hours till midnight, so keep your eyes on this candle over here. I do think that there is going to be a hell of a lot of volatility in the crypto market, which is great for our regular investors. I think I might just do another series where I take $500 up until $5,000. I'll think about it, but if I get 10 likes on this video, I'll most happily try and see what I can do. But yeah, it seems like we are in for a recession. Hang on tight. If I was you, I'll definitely start reading and understanding what's happening in the markets. How can I leverage this opportunity? Because the recession is not always a bad thing. It's always an opportunity for you to make money if you just understand the risks that you need to take. So yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry it was all over. Just thought I might jump on here and show you guys a bit of trading view. And do sign up and create an account over here. It's for free. Okay, but yeah, see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Bye.